This single thread, thinner than a human hair, is 5 times stronger than steel of the same weight. It is worth more per gram than gold. Is Madagascar, the world's 4th largest island, home to species found nowhere else on Earth, including the Andasibe spider silk atelier, one of fewer than 3 facilities on Earth that harvest spider silk commercially. Today, 12 workers will spend 8 hours extracting silk. Before a single thread of silk can be harvested, the Golden Orb Weaver spiders must first be found and caught. This is the collection team. 6 spinnerets, 6 silk types produced simultaneously. The dragline silk, the main structural thread, is what the harvesters are after. Catching a Golden Orb Weaver spider requires patience, not speed. Any sudden movement triggers the spider's flight response. She drops from the web.
The collectors target only adult female Golden Orb Weaver spiders. Males are too small to produce usable quantities of silk.
Golden Orb Weaver spiders are highly territorial. 2 females placed in contact will fight immediately, destroying their own silk glands in the process. The silk harvesting device used here was designed in 1900 by French naturalist Camille Delacroix during Madagascar's colonial. The first touch is everything. Too much pressure and the spinneret closes, no silk for 20 minutes while the gland resets.
The harvesting room operates in near silence. Vibration disturbs the spiders and interrupts silk production.
4 micrometers in diameter, 1/6 the width of a human hair. Yet this thread can support 1.3 grams of weight before breaking.
Golden Orb Weaver spiders must remain hydrated during silk harvesting. Dehydration causes silk production to halt within minutes. After 25 minutes, spider number 7 has produced 78 meters of continuous dragline silk. This is a strong session. Closed spinnerets, raised front legs, or a slight tensing of the abdomen all signal stress. The response is always the same. Sustenance. Quality inspection requires nothing more sophisticated than a bright light and a trained eye. A flawless section of Golden Orb Weaver dragline. The master spinner combines 96 individual Golden Orb Weaver silk threads into a single usable yarn. The completed yarn is stored at 18 degrees Celsius with 45% humidity, the conditions that best preserve spider silk's mechanical. 12 meters of finished spider silk yarn. It required 1,152 individual spider harvesting sessions to produce.
After 6 hours of silk harvesting, each Golden Orb Weaver spider is rested, fed a live cricket, and prepared.
Every Golden Orb Weaver spider is released at the precise, GPS-logged location of her original web. And 847 meters of raw Golden Orb Weaver silk thread harvested today from 12 spiders across 96 sessions. In 24 hours, the Golden Orb Weaver spiders will have fully regenerated their silk glands. New webs will tricks. She does not know that the silk she produces tonight will be harvested tomorrow morning. She does not know that her silk. Every night in the Madagascar jungle, the Golden Orb Weaver spiders held what was taken. This is not a factory. There are no machines that can do what these 12 workers do. There is no algorithm that can read a spider's body language.
The largest piece of Golden Orb Weaver spider silk fabric ever produced, displayed at the American Museum of Natural History in New York.
In every square kilometer of this Madagascar jungle, There are an estimated 8,000 to 12,000 adult female Golden Orb Weaver spiders.
One spider, one thread, one harvest at a time. The most valuable material in nature.
8 eyes, each pair optimized for a different visual task: motion detection, depth perception, peripheral awareness. A Golden Orb Weaver spider has nearly 360-degree vision. Training a new spider silk harvester takes a minimum of 6 weeks before their first independently harvested spool is commercially acceptable. This female is known at the atelier as Reine, Queen. At 6 years old, she is the oldest spider in the current collection.
After 891 harvesting sessions, Reine appears to recognize the harvesting platform. Whether this is true memory or simple.
A single strand of Golden Orb Weaver dragline silk 4 micrometers in diameter consistently holds 1.3 grams before breaking.
Perfect elastic return after 40% extension, repeated indefinitely without fatigue. This property alone makes Golden Orb Weaver spider silk uniquely suited for sutures and cardiac surgery.
The collectors maintain a living database of every productive female Golden Orb Weaver spider within the 2-kilometer collection zone.
Rain does not stop the harvest. The Andasibe atelier has operated through cyclones, political upheavals, and
High-fashion textile designers visit the Andasibe atelier from Europe and Japan every year. Spider silk cannot end. The fabric catches the light and releases it in a way no other textile does.
61.6 meters of finished yarn, $12,320 of material value, divided among 12.
Somewhere on that plane, in a foam-padded box the size of a shoebox, are 12 spools of Golden Orb Weaver spider silk, produced over 3 weeks. 5 times stronger than steel, 3 times tougher than Kevlar, biodegradable, biocompatible with human tissue. She does not wait for the collectors. She does not know about the collectors. She only knows that her web is built and that the morning insects will come.
The founder keeps one spool from the atelier's first successful production. It was harvested from a spider he has named Raine's mother.
Did you finish the last batch? Almost. This weather is perfect for drying the silk.
The male Golden Orb Weaver spider is so small compared to the female that he was once classified as a different species entirely.
The Andasibe atelier employs 12 people from the immediate village, 8 women and 4 men. In a region
A Golden Orb Weaver spider can fully repair a damaged section of web in under 8 minutes, matching the exact thread spacing.
Every night, in the darkness, in the jungle, in Madagascar, they spin.
Six weeks. That is the minimum time before a new harvester produces her first commercially acceptable spool of Golden Orb Weaver spider silk. Many take longer.
The Golden Orb Weaver produces at least 7 distinct silk types for 7 distinct purposes. Structural dragline, spiral capture silk.
During peak season, the atelier operates 14 harvesting platforms and targets 1,1200 meters of raw silk per day.
Grande Duchesse. 4 years, 11,240 meters of raw dragline silk, more than any spider the atelier has ever recorded.
The most valuable cargo per gram that travels this road is not gold, not gemstones, not currency. It is 3 small boxes of spider silk, bouncing along. They are weighed and the international labels are applied. Here is the receipt.
Thank you.
These tracking numbers are essential for the shipment. It's Torjanes. Spider silk is both an electrical insulator and an extremely poor thermal conductor, properties that make it ideal for sensitive electronics. During a tropical storm with sustained winds of 60 kilometers per hour, a healthy Golden Orb Weaver web absorbs and...
All secure. They made it through the night just fine. Good. Let's start the morning count.
Web reconstruction after total destruction takes a female Golden Orb Weaver approximately 60 minutes from first anchor thread to complete web, ready for prey capture. Another day recorded. Another increment of the rarest material on Earth added to human knowledge. The Andasibe atelier produces, in a full year, approximately 3 kilometers of finished spider silk yarn.
Woven into the world's smallest piece of finished textile.
Somewhere on this island, 340 spiders are waiting, and 12 people are walking toward them.
The Golden Orb Weaver spider. 165 million years of engineering, one thread at a time.